In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of files in Google Drive using a computer. This is perfect for creating backups, experimenting on a duplicate, or sharing a version without touching the original. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll add helpful tips along the way so you feel confident. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to drive.google.com. If you use Google Drive often, consider bookmarking the page so it's always one click away. When the page loads, sign in to your Google account. If you use multiple accounts, double-check that you're in the right one by looking at the profile icon in the top right. That helps ensure the file you want is actually available in this drive. Next, locate the file you want to copy. You can browse through your folders in the left sidebar, or use the search bar at the top to type part of the file name. You'll see different icons for different file types: documents, spreadsheets, slides, images, and PDFs. Once you've found the file, right-click it. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works as a right-click, and on some keyboards you can hold Control while clicking. From the menu that appears, click Make a Copy. Google Drive will instantly create a duplicate of that file in the same folder. This works for Google files like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, as well as many uploaded files like PDFs and images. If you don't see the option, it may be because the file's owner has restricted copying. In that case, you can view the original, but you won't be able to duplicate it. The copy is owned by the account you're signed into, even if the original was shared with you, so you're free to edit it without affecting collaborators. After a moment, you'll notice a new item appear with the name Copy of, followed by the original file name. That's your duplicate. It's independent from the original, which means edits to one won't affect the other. To keep things organized, you can rename the copy. Just right-click the copied file, choose Rename, and type a clear, descriptive title so you can recognize it later. Including a version number or date can be helpful for tracking changes over time, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully made a copy of a file in Google Drive and given it a name that makes sense for your workflow. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.